What's good, people? What's good? How y'all doing? I hope y'all had a great weekend. I hope y'all had a great weekend. Well, I was at Zone 6. I was at Soweto weekend, Zone 6. It was 10. I'm kind of tired. I'm kind of tired, you feel me? I'm kind of tired, but like, yeah, work don't stop. Work don't stop, work won't stop. You feel me? So I'm looking at the NASDAQ. We can all see that like the structure of the NASDAQ is turned bearish, but it's still bullish, you feel me? But the overall is bearish, you feel me? So like now with price creating this low, coming back for a new low high, the new low, lower high, new low, lower high. You feel me? Now with this, because like we had a flag from this, and we had that breakout and it retest again, pushed down to the downside. Now price is feeling like wanting to come back to some of those levels, 49.10, 49, 902, 905, some of those levels right there, you feel me? So now to me, on market open, I'm just hoping to see our price breaks from this level, you feel me? It would have failed to break 1900, 14,900, that 14,900,000 level. I'm comfortable to say I would anticipate a sell from this level, 1-to-1 up until this level. Price breaks out and retests again, continues to the downside. Then I'm going for 1-to-10 overall, 1-to-10. So NASDAQ structure is bearish. We have price obviously making those lows, those highs for me. We have now price making those lower lows and those lower highs. Your form. So with this now, I can tell that structure is bearish. What we're looking to see, because price broke a flag and pushed to the downside, we're looking to see how it reacts again from that flag with a double top from that level. We sell it. Your form. So, but I would be safe if the price pushes to the downside and comes back to break the lower low for a new lower high and the lower low continuation to the downside. Your form. So NASDAQ, we're looking to sell. Gold is kind of like moving sideways form. So we had this push, we had this strong push to the downside, and we had price correcting right there. The form here, price correcting from that level, moving sideways. So with this, I'm anticipating that now because price closed with a pin bar, from that level, bullish candle, bearish candle, not being strong enough to go make those lows. You feel me? And market closing in a bullish chart, in a bullish candle. So now with this now, price make this low, came back for high, low, high, low. We're looking for high breakout and retest, selling, looking to buy up and until that intraday resistant level. Your phone. So on gold, we're looking to buy from that intraday resistant level up, and we're looking to buy from that intraday support up and until the intraday resistant level. You follow me? But all I'm looking to see is because price now, if we have a push and price corrects, we know that like price will continue pushing to the downside. So with this one, because now it's moving sideways, I'm hoping that from the low, it might come back to the high before breaking out and retesting and continuing to the downside. Your form. That's my take on gold. Your form. I'm looking for those intraday structures. You follow me? I'm looking for those intradays. So we are trading zone to zone from the support zone, looking to go to the resistance zone. From resistance, looking to go to support unless we get a break up, break down. Then you form it, then we might find something. So with gold, you're looking for a breakdown or break up to continue with the trend. US30. US30 is more like the NAS. It's more like the NAS. It's more like the NASDAQ because you also had like the flag from there, price breaking out. Now we have a potential retest from that level before me. So now to me, all I'm looking to see it's how price, that's how will price react from this level if we eventually push to the upside to it, unless if this was the level we were looking to retest right there to move to the downside. But overall, we know price make the lower low and the lower high and the lower low. Now we have a lower high. We might look for potential lower low to the downside for me. So that's my take on the US30. I'm looking to sell for me. German 30, same shit with the German 30 because it's also clean. We have that intraday. We have this intraday resistant level right there with multiple rejections and a breakout and come back again. But the retest of price coming back again to the levels of multiple rejections right there, the intraday support resistant level. So now with this price pushing fairly to break this level, moving bearish, coming back to this level, I'm looking for price to break out right there in a retest and continue to the downside, giving us a lower low, lower high structure before me. But if price breaks out right there and comes back for a retest, then we'll look to move to the upside. But in correlation, when the US30 and the NASDAQ are looking to go bearish, the German 30 and the stock 600 and other international indices tend to follow the trends for me because it's correlation. So So now this is the USD Cad. Even with the USD Cad, the overall structure is clearly moving to the downside. Before me, we have price making this trend before me. So with this sideways movement right there to the downside, before me. So but now price moving sideways, the current price, you can see that the current price is moving sideways. I can see that like we had a reaction, multiple reactions right there. Now price reacting right there, turning bearish, coming back bullish and closing bearish again, turning bullish, closing bearish. I can tell that like market open, we might still continue up until the level. Looking if we can break right there, continuing to the downside. Like I said with the NASDAQ, with the gold price pushes, exhausts, pushes again before me, unless it pushes, exhausts, and pushes up to the upside. So let's say USD Cad. Sorry about that. So Tesla, I won't spend time on it. Yeah, okay, let me do this. With Bitcoin, I'm looking to sell based on price failing to break this level or making a new intraday resistant level. So now I'm looking to sell from this level due to that price reacted once, twice, that time, and now breaking out and trading inside this level. So now if this candlestick closes strongly bearish, fully bearish, I'm anticipating that the next might come back to up and now to some of those levels. But for the week, I'm looking for price essentially because price was moving clearly to the downside and came back again. I'm looking for price to continue moving to the downside. You follow me? So that's Bitcoin. Sorry about that again. Same shit. Even with the Ethereum, I'm looking to sell from up there up and until down here before me. Even the LTC, USD, same shit. I'm looking for the same shit. BTCs are, I won't analyze it. GPP USD. GBP USD I saw this since Friday, but with price trading from that level, we can see that we have a double top from there with the break of this level in anticipation that we might still move clearly to the downside before we stop loss right there, targets right there, go for 1, 2, 3. The phone, like what I mean is that price had this really for me breaking this lows for me. So we have with the horizontal line, we have this level right there for me. So I'm going to go to the downside. NZD, USD. I won't say much because I don't see what's happening right there. Let's look at the euro.
Biggest mistakes beginner traders make. First off, they don't.
So with the USD, Euro USD, from this depletion, I saw a breakout, the price coming back to some of those levels, moving to the downside. Now I can see that like price is still moving in that trend. You feel me? Price is still using that trend. So now to me, all I'm looking to see tab to continue moving to the downsides. I can never W, but could you tell me? I don't wanna fall in love, I don't think it's for me. And I want you, so do you want me? If I said I love you, I think we have a sideways movement right there. Price is moving sideways. Break up, break down, continue with the trend. Or I ain't trying to waste no time. Never was a waste. Yeah, I'm a nigga, you cannot replace me. So, okay. With the American Airlines, I think we're trading again close to our previous resistance right there. With reactions of that's resistance right there, support right there. So, man, I thought you were the person who want you, so you want me. If I said I love you, but you love me, I never love you, but you love me. So now I'd say we need to close this gap before continuing to the upside. Before CAD, ZAR. I'm only looking at what I can afford to look at. I'm just randomly selecting. So we had this flag right there, price closing inside this level. So I think I won't understand a little what's happening, but I can see it. So I'll leave it for now. Let me look at the April. Before calling this a day. Wow, okay, so we broke the level that I thought it wouldn't break right there. So yeah, we pushed. So now we have this high right there. Price breaking this previous high, coming back, we just double top. I can tell that like price might continue. So that high perform. I wouldn't say it would break this high. I don't know. I'll trade up and until this high. Perform. So guys, so that's it, guys. If it's not too much, and it's not too much, and it's not little. You feel me? It's not too much, and it's not little. It's just what it is. You feel me? So to all the potential market review anticipations that I have, I hope they go successfully as planned, and I wish everyone a profitable week, month, year, life. Yeah. So it's me once again, guys. I'm signing out. Peace, love and light, guys.